Life4zoo water management in self-sustaining areas like zoos. Our partners are the Barcelona Zoo, the University of Barcelona, and the University of Girona. The project focuses on circular water management.
The concept consists of two loops. One internal loop where a relatively large amount of relatively clean water will circulate, and the water that gets lost from this system will need to be replenished. This will be taken from the external loop, which is supplemented by a natural pond that serves as the main water reservoir for the entire zoo.
Water was taken from the Swan Pond to the upper part of the zoo. In the last 12 years or so, during the summer, the lake stream has almost dried up and the pond has been in pretty bad technical condition over the years. So at that point, we had to use drinking water, which is basically a sin for these purposes. The second negative was that when we used the water in the pools, the water was discharged into the sewer. So we were looking for a way, and we are happy that the system we are building will use the water repeatedly. We will not get rid of it, and at the same time, we will mainly save drinking water resources.
The system will consist of several stages, and what is particularly interesting for the LIFE program is that the first stage will be an artificial wetland, specifically a vertical wetland,
which in itself is already a filtration system. There's a coarse filter that removes the larger impurities. Then it flows through finer filters, biofilters, and the water accumulates at the bottom in a large reservoir. From here, the water is directed to the water treatment facility. It's a barrier cleaning system, a multi-stage purification system, so that we can achieve drinking water quality. The water from the external loop, meaning the water from the pond, is directed to the treatment facility.
The role of our university, besides being the project leader and coordinator, is to monitor the quality of the water and oversee the overall operation of the technology.
It is calculated so that the system is energy neutral, and we will achieve this neutrality thanks to a renewable energy source that will be on the roof of the main entrance to the solar system.
I'm glad that we have partners to improve water management, because we're talking about drinking water, we're talking about surface water that we use, but there's also rainwater, which is a potential resource, but also a concern that we have in the zoo.
By managing both wastewater and rainwater, the zoo contributes to what is already valid today, which is the new European directive, the management of urban wastewater, and this is a crucial reduction in the burden on the sewage system. And this system, which manages both wastewater, reduces the total amount that goes into the sewage system, and with rainwater, it significantly decreases that burden.